really wish I wasn't hiccuping.
Yeah, you should put
I'm just gonna chill out real quick and not hiccup.
Nunca en tu vida.
I'm chill out.
Nunca. Mami, no.
Damn it!
Don't even
Yo,
pick up
I'm
the
not
breed.
hiccup by going here. This shit is pissing me off here. For real.
Don't pick up.
Yeah.
Tell me that in a little bit.
What? He just left home. Alright, peace out. Yo, I've never had hiccups this much before. Yo, y'all niggas don't understand how mad I I'm trying to speak it from this shit. Yo, fuck yeah.
You got me dying, bro.
Oh, yeah, that shit. Nah. I think it's gone. It's gone. I'm trying to say yo, and mom keep picking up. Alright, yo, like, I really never hiccuped this much before. Like, this shit is crazy. I'm trying to tell my fucking story right now. I keep hiccuping.
Yo,
it's a beer I drink or something like
I don't know. That shit's funny as hell.
Nah, nigga, this isn't funny. This is happening right now.
Like, it wasn't funny when it been happening to us off neither.
Nigga, like, it just... Yo, I think when I started saying H, that's when No, wait. Start again.
No, you're fucking with it.
Alright. When I try to hiccup, that's when I hiccup, yo. That shit is crazy, yo. Nah. Like, I just don't want people to think this is on purpose.
Oh shit.
Nah, nigga.
You're too material, I swear to God.
Nigga, I'm trying to speak.
Yeah, I can't even believe this is funny.
Wait, nah, stop. Okay. I'm trying to speak a sentence. And I keep... Nah.
And you can't.
Nah, nigga, nah, for real. I really can't stop hiccuping.
It's gonna be funny for it's like 3 in the morning.
Scary.
Tómate una cerveza, maybe estás. Toma, cachetuma.
Nah, chill, nigga. I just
Cabrón.
gotta stop hiccup.
Nunca.
I really can't stop.
Stop hiccuping, yeah, we get the point, motherfucker.
Nigga, but I'm trying to say...
Hey, take a sip, see if it stops. Or take a sip of yours, fuck it, and then go see if it stops.
I think I'm done hiccuping.
Yo, take a sip of your thing, ya que se joda,
Nah,
no, ¿qué
nigga,
pasa?
I gotta do it with my own willpower.
Toma, cachetito. Toma.
No willpower.
Come on, Carl.
Nah, nigga, I'm about to fight this shit, like.
Nigga. I'm gonna go home at 3 in the morning just to see this shit and laugh my ass off, yo. Go for it. Here, toma, coche tu madre.
Nunca tu vida.
Well,
I'm gonna keep hiccuping until it stops.
I don't think so if you take a beer. A little bit of a beer.
I think that's what's making me hiccup so much.
Probably. Don't worry, don't stop. If it stops, nigga, you go that way, I go this way.
I have weed on me.
For real, I thought we smoked it all. Oh shit.
Yo, you
Hey nigga. I like my.
I think that's what my body want to do.
It's not possible.
You finish this sentence for me. That's what's making me mad right now, yeah. You know what I'm about to say, but I keep saying
Concha tu madre. Say concha tu madre. Say it big.
But you what?
I keep
Hiccuping.
yeah. Yo, and watch, y'all niggas.
Epic fail.
Yeah, that nigga's about to watch me tomorrow, like, die and shit, because, like, I die from hiccuping and shit, nigga. I can't stop this shit. That's what's bothering me right now. I'm trying to...
But they don't read. See what happens.
Oh, my God, yo. This shit is bugging me out right now. I can't stop it. I can't stop the hiccuping.
And then what else?
Fucking
That's how she.
crazy.
But like, I'll tell you, I don't know. Hold your breath. Hold it.
I just hiccuped right now.
Yeah, but it's inside, it's not outside. Keep holding it. Ni cagando, that's not gonna work. Oh,